What's up guys, this is Michael and welcome to Trading Like Magic. And today is September 9, 2021 and we are on fear. Yesterday we were neutral, now we are on fear. CoinGecko today, Bitcoin is up though for 2.6% up, Ethereum is 4.4% up, Cardano still doing good. Oh, Solana, it's just pumping. Doge 4.7% up. Polkadot is 7.4% up. Chainlink is doing good. Algo 24.1% up. FTT 19.6%. Avalance is 25.6% up. Right on. Cosmos is 28.9% up. Phantom is 37.5% up. Elron is 37.7% up. Wow. Shiba is 19.2% up. Waves 17.1% up. HBAR is 18.5% up. Wow. AR is 28.6% up. Bad today. IOST 28.8% up. Harmony 8.2% up. QTOM is 15.1% up. Right on, right on. Looking good today, guys. Looking good. Let's see top gainers of the day. CUSDC, Elron, Phantom, Ray, Mina. Solana's doing good. Cosmos, IOST. Wow. Avalance is 25% up. Top gainers of the week, Phantom, Algorand, IOST, Near, Solana, QNT, Bitcoin Cash, eCash. Wow, it's just pumping, guys. They just pump. Top losers of the week, Uniswap, DZR, Maker, Telcoin, Sushi, SafeMoon, OKB. We have Flow. Okay guys, before we go to the chart, if you can like and share my videos, that will be appreciated. CIX though, I see possible correction. So our count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we might see a correction for A, B, C. Bitcoin on the monthly chart, we are still on the bull run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We might see September, we might see a red candle. Right now we have a red candle. We still might have a red candle for the whole month, but don't worry about it. We're still in the bull run. So our target is 64,630. And on the daily chart though, I always mention this guys that we are still on this megaphone pattern and we are on top. And on the 4-hour chart, yeah, we're still on top of the megaphone pattern and we have this ascending channel and the price broke already and we might see a correction. So let's do the count. So we might see an ABC correction, something like that guys, but this is just a presumption, but don't worry about it. This is just a healthy correction. And let's see, let's draw the Fibonacci then. So somewhere at 0.618, which is 37, somewhere 37,000. Ethereum on the monthly chart, wow, we have a green candle. So anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we are still in the bull run. We might see a red candle for the whole month, but don't worry about it. As I mentioned in my previous videos, that September would be probably we'll get a red candle, but don't worry about it. October, November, December, we're going to have green months. And our target would be somewhere at 4,600. So Ethereum on the 4-hour chart though, I see rising expanding wedge and not really impressed on the setup. Looks like a pennant here. Looks like a bearish pennant. Yeah, on the 1 hour guys, it looks like a pennant. So this is a bearish pattern. So let's see if the price will reach, it already did actually 0.618. But if we move the Fibonacci here, somewhere here I guess, we might still see the price somewhere here and drop. And if this is your flagpole, anyway, there's a resistance here. So let's see if the price will drop at 3,000. Guys, this is just my opinion. For Dogecoin guys, last time we talked about this, do the count again. Dogecoin, we talk about this on the 4-hour chart. This is a daily chart, but we talk about on the daily chart, we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we have a correction, A, B, C. So this would be my, this would be now my wave 1 and wave 2. So right now we're expecting going for a wave 3. So let's see. This one looks like a bullish flag. Last time we also talked about this head and shoulders pattern, and our target was and the target has been reached. We are now here. So we have now this ABC correction, and now we're looking for the third wave. This one looks like a bullish flag, so let's see if this one will play it out. Guys, it will be the last chance for Dogecoin, I think, right now. So we're expecting the price will go up. Let's see some of the top losers, if it would be a great buying opportunity. So Uniswap looks like still has the potential to go down. If you withdraw the Fibonacci, we might see the price come here at 0.618 and drop even more. DCR, similar. Let's see the price go up here at 0.618 and drop even more. I see a trend line here. And this one looks like also ascending channel here, and it dropped already. Looks like it's creating a pennant here too, or it could also create a flag formation. So it could develop a flag formation here, then bearish flag formation and drop. MKR, similar, broke on this trend line, possibly just create a bearish flag. Price might come up at 0.618, which is 3,300 somewhere there, and drop again. But yeah, that's just my opinion, guys. Flow, it broke on this ascending channel here. Right now the price is just pulling back, and I might see the price will go down. So right now it's creating a flag formation, bearish flag. Yeah, it might create a bearish flag here and go down. Altcoin, ascending channel, broke on the trend line here, and yeah, similar. It's like a bearish flag here too, or pennant, and boom, go down. Okay guys, this will do for today. I'm so sorry, the internet is really too slow. I don't know why. I tried my best. I already upgraded my internet, but still doing not great. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and be safe. Don't worry about it. We are still on the bull run. So Bitcoin, we are still in the bull run, but September we might see a red candle. So just be careful, guys. But don't worry about it. October, November, December, we'll have a green month, and our target would be 64,000. So be safe, take care, and I love you guys. Bye bye.